का डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिशन कोऑर्डिनेटर SSA वेस्ट जॉइंट हिल्स शिबंता का एक पेड़ माँ के नाम ने ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव 2025 Batkat kum ka hukum jong ka Ministry of Education Government of India banadu ka santrik jeliu hadu ubnai nailur barok ki skul badan hapok ka district kini Shibynta ha ka jingthung ding ka jingthmu jong kani ka program ka long ban pensung thu iki khynnah skul bakindon ka jingkit khli ya ka jinglong jingman ka mei maryang bat ki saudong saukun jong ka da ka bathung ya ki ding bat ai burom kerpang ha ka kerteng ka kemi jong ki Nakaliang ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia ha ka thong jong ka ni ka program. Kalapan long ya ka jingthung ding ha ki school da ka jing trelang bat ka tanat District Forest Officer Social Forestry Jowai Division West Jaintia Hills. Ki school ki bala pendep ya ka ni ka program ek pair ma ka nam ni Tree Plantation Drive 2025 ki long ka dulong Upper Primary School SSA Panalyar SSA Upper Primary School Muplang Government Lower Primary School, Dong Nong Pulu Lower Primary School SSA, Mustem Umchangyar Lower Primary School SSA, Mustem East Government Lower Primary School, Yongno Upper Primary School SSA, Yongno Presbyterian Lower Primary School, but Upper Primary SSA, but Ka Moberni Lower Primary School SSA.